Ever wondered why you sometimes cough when you put something in your ear? Let's uncover the surprising reason behind this common phenomenon. Inside your ear canal lies a sensitive network of nerves, including the vagus nerve, which connects your brain to various organs, including the throat and lungs. When you insert something into your ear, especially if it goes too deep, it can stimulate the vagus nerve, triggering a reflex response. This reflex causes the muscles in your throat to momentarily contract, leading to a coughing sensation. So, the next time you feel the urge to cough while cleaning your ears or using earbuds, remember it's just your body's way of protecting itself from potential harm. Stay curious, stay safe, and take care of your ears.